Those people who are there, they don't know what is going on. You are using Nuer every time, brainwash those leaders to go and kill us. You guys, you already destroy all the Nuer land. They are being destroyed. They are being destroyed. There's no education for Nuer. There's nothing. And you guys, you want us to keep quiet. So if you are Nuer, you have a brother, you have a sister, you have an auntie, you have everybody. We have to talk about that and let us, the world, to know what is going on. Me, I don't know English, but I will speak this language so that you guys, you can understand. Because I don't sleep in this bed properly. I don't sleep totally. I don't sleep properly because Uganda, every time when they are fight, when soldiers are fighting, then they go and they go with their helicopters to go and kill people there. And you want us to keep quiet? Never, never. Yes, we fought for that country. Everybody fought for that country so that our country, everybody will enjoy that country, and the resources will be divided by everybody there, all of us. You cannot be saying Nuer today is bad Nuer, while you guys, you are using Nuer to go and fight for you guys, while you are just enjoying going to school to study. You know, Garang Damabior was our president. There was a one that was the before the Garang Damabior, and then Salva Kiir. And now Salva Kiir, the daughter, or whoever that is going to come to be president, a Dinka or whatever, I don't even know. My problem that make me to come and talk to you guys here is because you guys, you already arrested Dr. Riek Machar is there with his team. Now, what the point that is taking the helicopter from Uganda to go and kill innocent people every time, with the chemical bombing them every time? Do you think that we are happy? We cannot be happy. I'm not tribalism, okay? I'm just a singer, but I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy at all. I can't be happy when my family, they are dying day and night. We are tired to be burying them every time. Asking them, are they alive? Which hospital? We don't even have a hospital. There's no medication. There's no good life. There's nothing. So if Salva Kiir is our president, the minister of defense is a Dinka. Salva Kiir is Dinka. The minister of finance is Dinka. All those ministers, majority of them, they are Dinka. What about other tribes? What about other tribes? And if you guys, you want to lead, if you guys, you want to lead us today, why do you pay a lot of money to Uganda to go and kill us? Why? Why do you want Uganda to kill us every time and you are silent? And we don't, you guys, you are not going to be telling us how many people you have been killed. How many people? You will not talk. And you, if you are Nuer, don't be silent. Don't be keeping quiet that I will be dead. I'll be arrested. And I'm scared. Tomorrow I'm going to die. You can die. A sickness can kill you. Accident can kill you. There are so many things that can kill you. People are not to be staying here for long. You know, you are just here in this world for time being. Our time, people, they are dying slowly. But here, why Dinka government? That I will just say Dinka government is killing us. Is it because of oil? Is it because of leadership? They already arrested Dr. Riek Machar. Why now they are finishing the civilian? Why? Why they are finishing civilian everywhere? There's war everywhere. They are threatening us, and you threatening me. When are you going to come? You will die. Yes, I know I will die. If you do not kill me, I can die. Sickness, everything can even kill me. Nobody's safe in this world. Who is safe? Nobody's safe. Why you guys why are you killing Nuer every time? Why? Why? Are we not a human being? Are we not a human being? Why Museveni was given a lot of a weapon to go and kill us, and you want us to be silent for how long? For how long are we going to be silent? And you, if you are Nuer, your family is going to finish there. Uganda is finishing us. Uganda government is finishing us, my dear. They are enjoying our resources. And Salva Kiir with his team, they pay, they pay. If you know English, come and talk. Let the world know what is going on. Let us talk with different languages. If you know English, don't just keep silent. Come and talk. People talk and fight, and they talk so that people can know what is going on. We need to talk about this. Because we are dying with too much stress. We are dying of sickness. Every time we have got so many mental problems killing us. We are dying of all these things. When you are losing your family, how will you feel? Let me ask you one question here. The family of Salva Kiir, if another country go and bomb your country, your own land, I mean, the land of Salva Kiir, Warab, if people pay, maybe Uganda or maybe at Khartoum, if Khartoum go and fight with the Barkazal in their land, if they bomb them today, how will they feel? Will you guys be happy? Will you guys be happy? Why this bomb every time you are just going, enjoying, like there's somebody that is pushing you, telling you guys, you have to delete all Nuer. Yes, I know Nuer, they are hero. Nuer, they are hero. That's why South Sudan is just like that. So if you don't want Nuer, if you guys, you don't want Nuer, we can even divide our land into 3 regions. 3 regions. South Sudan can be divided in 3 regions. You can't lead us, killing us with bombing every time. 3 regions. Dinka can go this side, Nuer can go one side, and we can have a different president. We can have a different president because you cannot lead us. You want to lead us while you are killing us, while you are killing our children, while you are killing the old people, while you are killing our cows, our goats, while you are destroying everything. You destroy everything. Our life is just like nothing, like useless in this world. And we fought together as a one brother to fight Arab so that we can get that land. We got that land together. We really fought, and our men, a lot of them, they died. But at this time now, we know Salva Kiir team, Salva Kiir family doesn't like us. Because if Salva Kiir like people, a lot of people cannot die in 1 minute. In 1 minute, 100 every day. 100 people, they are not even counting. Children, women, cows, soldiers. I cannot even talk about soldiers. I'm talking about women, about children, about everything that is going on in my land. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, I'm telling you the truth. Because why? Uganda is being paid a lot of money every time. And you guys, there are so many refugees everywhere. In Uganda, we have got refugees. We have got refugees in Uganda. And Salva Kiir cannot even pay or help them to buy for them a food. Salva Kiir cannot buy for them medication. Salva Kiir cannot give them shelter. There are so many refugees in different countries, different continents. And we are still suffering. You go to anywhere, you are suffering. You go anywhere, any country, any continent, you are suffering. Because of that fake leadership. There's no love. And you, Salva Kiir, you want us to be leading us. You promised, you said you will lead us. And this is the way you want to lead us, that way. To be killing us every time. Playing with our brother's body. Playing with our mother's body. Our children's body. Everybody's body. You are just playing us. And you don't even know. You don't even count how many people were dead in 1 day. You just need money. You just need help. You just need gun. We need gun. We need gun from Uganda. And Uganda is giving you. Because Uganda is a businessman. He's a businessman. Museveni is a businessman. He just needs money. He needs money and that's it. He can kill thousands of millions of South Sudan and then he can get money. He's a businessman. We know even the neighbors, there's so many neighbors, they can bring peace. South Sudan neighbors. We have got Kenyan. We have got Egypt. We have got many. They are there, they're just watching. Why? Why? And they want oil. They want the resources. It's because Salva Kiir is very stupid. Salva Kiir doesn't know all those neighbors, they are just doing their own business and they will get money. They only get money, only. Even though they kill thousands of soldiers from South Sudan, they kill civilians, Salva Kiir doesn't care. The only thing, he just want guns and killing, guns and killing, money and killing, and you want us to smile. You want us to be happy. Yes, we are happy while soldiers are dying, while civilians are dying, children are dying. There's nowhere to go. People are just begging UN. UN, they're human beings like us. UN, they're human beings like us. And how many times are we going to be refugees? I came from refugee. I was a refugee in Kakuma, in Kenya. How many years are we going to be refugees everywhere, telling people that we are suffering, we are poor, we are suffering, while Salva Kiir is the one that is making us to be suffering, killing us? Because when there's war, there's nothing. You cannot do any business. Because when you want to do business, somebody will come and shoot you. Because there's no peace. And you people, you Dinka, you don't want to talk about that. This thing is going to come. When we're finished, this thing is going to come. People are seeing what is going on. And I'll thank God, Nuer, they will not finish. And the world, they don't know who's hero. Who are hero. They know. The world know who are hero. You will be seen in all the history. Because one tribe, all people cannot put their hand together and go and beat them. You don't want to release Riek Machar. And yet you are just killing civilians. All. Do you want Dr. Riek Machar or you want us? Because where you guys are fighting, where there's war now, the field of war is where there's civilians. And where will civilian go? Because I had one of those one who are working with the government. They are telling civilian go. Where will they go? Where? Where will people go? They don't have money, nowhere to go. They have no clue, nowhere to go. Where will they go? They will just die in their motherland. They will just wait for you guys and die in their motherland. And you are threatening each other. If you say it, if you talk, because people are not, they don't have freedom to talk. If you say the truth, you'll be jailed. People are being arrested. A lot of people, they are in jail, and you guys, you are killing them day and night. People are dying day and night, and you want us to keep quiet. Yes, I'm a singer, but my family, a lot of my family, they're already dead. And yet even now, they are dying day and night. And you want us to be silent. Though you are stupid. Though if you are so stupid, you cannot be silent when you see your people are dying day and night. And people, they are telling you, this person is missing. And you are threatening us. Keep quiet. Don't talk. Don't talk. We don't want you to talk. And when you come back to this country, you will be dead. Yes, I'm dead already. If you don't have a family. If you don't have a family, you are already dead. If you don't have family, you don't have family. Who are you in this world? You will be like nothing. Family is very important. If Salva Kiir doesn't want to be a good president, let him step down. Let South Sudan government step down. Because that leadership is killing us. I know even where they are not dying alone. There are some people that they are dying together. Because when you go to fight each other, people are dying, but you cannot know who are they. But majority of them, they are Nuer. Why Dinka are forcing at the government to go and attack them in their areas? Why? Why the government is paying a lot of money to Uganda and killing people in the area? Why? What do you want? You have oil, you have got all the resources, the gold, all the diamond, everything is on your hand. And you do nothing. The only thing that the Salva Kiir team will just put is only to buy the weapon and kill a lot of soldiers and kill. Why are you playing with people's body? Why Salva Kiir family is doing that way? Why? Why you cannot have a mercy? Is that the leadership that you want us to lead? For how long are you going to be killing thousands of South Sudanese or thousands of Nuer? You want to delete Nuer. Why you want to delete us? We cannot sing. We cannot do anything. Nuer cannot do anything. That's why you see them, they are just... That's why you see them, they are running. They go everywhere. People, they want to come to Europe. People, they want to go America. People, they want to go anywhere. Because people are just running for their life. The rest of the people that cannot manage to go anywhere, they are in Juba. And you guys, you are arresting them, killing them every time. We are very tired. We are tired. You just kill them because of leadership. You can even know in America, after 5 months, 5 years, new president will come to lead in America. 5 months, a new president will come and lead. Why every year, Dinka, every year Dinka, every year Dinka. Why? And if you guys want to lead us, if you really want to lead us, why killing? Why are you playing with a lot of money, South Sudan money, and you go and pay to Uganda soldiers? Why? Yes, if you want to lead us, no problem for leadership. There's no problem for leadership. You can lead us. Because Minister of Defense is a Dinka. He just said, let us delete Nuer. Because of long time ago, you guys, you used to fight. Yes, man, they used to fight. You go to different country, different continent. Man, they like to fight to each other long time ago. Everywhere. You go to different country, you see, man, they are fighting. Yes, they are fighting. But how dare you? How dare a Salva Kiir team, Young Council of Elder, can pay a lot of money so that we cannot have food, we cannot have medication, we can be separated. People will not love each other. We cannot trust each other. Nuer will never trust you unless they will finish. And I wish I have a power. I wish I have a power. All the world, they can take Nuer. Nuer, they are hero. That's why they just commit to die every time. They die every time. So you know that. They are hero. And you Dinka, you used them for a long time ago. That's why there's no education Nuer. But majority of them, they are warriors. They are warriors. And that's why you pay a lot of money to Uganda to come and fight for you. And we die together with the soldiers of Uganda. You cannot play with our money. South Sudan resources is for us, for everybody. It's for everybody. You see now this war already affected South Sudan. Because the soldiers that you are paying, they are coming to destroy. Because the bomb, when you are going to bomb, that bomb cannot go anywhere. That bombing, when you bomb them, it can kill anything that is there. And this war will never end. We will never trust each other. You think Uganda is like your brother because you pay the money. When there's no money, they will not kill us. When you pay the money, they will go with helicopters and kill us. And this thing, it really hurt me to come and talk today. I don't know English, but this thing, it disturbed me because you guys, you are finishing Nuer, you are finishing them, you finish them, and you want to delete them, and you remember the war that you guys, you fought long time ago. As if you have a power. You don't have a power. You don't have a power. When you got that power, we thought that you guys, Salva Kiir will lead us in peace. We thought Salva Kiir will lead us in peace. And we know that war is not for Salva Kiir. That war come because of Garang, the family of Garang. The family of Garang. Now you guys, you finish Nuer. You are using Nuer. The other one will say, this Nuer. You divide Nuer long time ago. If they gave you Riek, the world gave you Riek Machar. It's because Riek sacrificed himself to accept peace and come to Juba so that the war can finish. And Dr. Riek Machar is still there. He can die, or you guys, you can kill him. He's still there with you guys. But what makes you to go and kill the civilian? Salva Kiir, Dr. Riek Machar is in jail with his team, and you guys, you go and kill us this way. You finish us. And then everything is finished. And then people will go to election. Who is going to be elected? You. Who? Dinka only. And the coward people who are sitting there. Who? And that election will never happen. The election will never happen. Because you already paid Uganda. Uganda is killing us every time. The election will never happen. People, they are watching. That war will never end. Whoever brought that war will never end this war. The war will not end. And now be happy. You are happy because of Uganda killing us every time. Everybody time will see. And for you Dinka who are keeping quiet, we are dying. You know we are dying. Those soldiers that are going to kill Nuer, they will die with Nuer. But majority of Nuer, they will die. And yet we are family. You already got intermarried with Nuer. Why today Nuer is bad? When Nuer need a leadership, there's no leadership for force. Nobody will tell you that I need a leadership to take by force. There's no leadership to be taken by force. You guys, you are just taking what Museveni is doing. You see, Museveni is suffering with what he's doing. That is what he told Salva Kiir. Do it to your family. So, Museveni is finishing Uganda there and is coming to finishing us. Two of you are our sickness. You are a disease. You are like a coronavirus. You guys, like, you are cancer. Because there's no good leadership that people will be happy with. We are not happy. Even those people who are in Juba, they are not happy. They are just tight and keeping quiet. Some of them, they are just die because of stress. They are dying because of stress. They don't know what to do. Especially those people who are in Juba. They are not happy. People, they are just stuck. Why are you guys so greedy? If you go to abroad, you come to UK, you pretend like you are a good leader. You go anywhere, America, you pretend like you are a good leader. And you are not good leader when your civilians are dying and the problem is not being solved. Who's going to bring peace? So Salva Kiir doesn't want peace. Because if Salva Kiir or Kiir's team is still paying Uganda money to go and kill us, which means there's no peace. So there's war every time. And which means Salva Kiir doesn't want to lead. He cannot be a leader. To lead who? To lead who? Not to lead us. We are dying. When somebody is already dead, you cannot say, I want to lead the dead body. Dead soldier. Dead civilian. You can never be saying that I will lead the dead people. And you supporters who are supporting leadership of Salva Kiir, you already failed. Because when Salva Kiir is telling you do this and do that, you don't want. You guys, we know this war is not because of government of rebel. There's no rebel. This war that is happening is war of tribalism. This war is between Nuer and Dinka. Because if you only want Riek, if you only want Dr. Riek Machar is with you guys in jail. Yes, Dr. Riek Machar is in jail. What do you want? To go to the village where people are just eating fish and grasses. Those civilians, they cannot help one another. And for you guys, we are different continent. You see, even your message, when you send the message, it's not because the message that can give us peace. You are a killer. A total killer. Because you know that Uganda is every time going there. And you are keeping quiet. Coward! The time when we are fighting, when we fought with Arab, did Uganda came to help us? I'm asking you, Dinka. I'm asking Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir, you are president, our president. Let me ask you. During the time in Bentiu, everywhere, during when we are fighting with Arab, did Uganda come and help us? Did Uganda come? They pay you, they give you the helicopter to go and bomb them. Did Uganda went and bomb Khartoum? No. You know the answer is no. Why now Uganda is bombing us? And during when we were fighting with Arab, Uganda did not come to bomb. Why? So us, you guys, you use us. We fought for Arab, and now you see us, we are enemy. You don't want us to give us opportunity. There's no school, because now, me, when I was there, when I was in South Sudan, I want school. They reject my name. They told me, in Yarwach, you can get married. You are 13 years now, you are about to get married. Just get married. There's no school. You cannot go to school, it's okay. You don't want me to know everything. There's no school. And you, some of you who are being brainwashed, they brainwash you so that you can be working with Dinka, and then they are destroying your homeland, they are destroying your future, and then after that they will kill you. Because you are the witness of everything. If you are in Juba, you witness everything. You know that we are dying. You know you are Nur, you are dying, and you know other Nur are dying, and you know Dinka are doing that. You cannot even correct them. You need to be correcting them, don't to be coward. Be strong and die like that, because you know one day you will die. In this world, people, they are dying one by one. No one can stay for 200 years or 300 years. People are dying. But when you are dying, just tell the truth and talk. Salva Kiir is the one that is burying us. Salva Kiir already failed. During Christmas, everybody's keeping quiet. And you don't be accepting somebody to bribe you, giving you money. They give you money, you keep quiet. They give you money, you keep quiet. And you said we are brothers. If you see any Dinka giving you money, you need to be correcting him. Correct him. Tell him, if you give me money, give me opportunity, and then I'll do my job, I'll get a free money, and then instead to kill your family. Don't kill your family. So for you, my brothers, Dinka, Some of you are threatening us. Yes, Riek Machar, we will kill Riek Machar. It's up to you guys. You want to kill, you kill. Because even us also, we are dying. The civilians, they are dying in their village, Nuer village. Uganda is bombing them. In Nasser, Uganda is bombing them. In Ayut, Uganda is bombing us. In Wilay Wehde, Bentiu, Uganda is bombing us. In Low Nuer, Uganda is bombing all the areas of Nuer. Those are the areas of Nuer. Somebody's showing them. Uganda never bomb you guys because of resources. Because you don't want to go for a good election. You need to finish Nuer so that the election can go freely. So that when you go for election, and then you can be elected, the Dinka is the one that is after Salva Kiir will die, because Salva Kiir will die soon. Salva Kiir will definitely die soon. Who's going to be next? Salva Kiir said, if I die, who's going to be next? Salva Kiir said, Dr. Riek Machar will be next. Because you guys, you are greedy. You are greedy. You want to lead after Salva Kiir died. Salva Kiir said, let me repeat again. Salva Kiir said, if I die, who's going to come to be a next president? Salva Kiir said, Dr. Riek Machar is going to be the next president. What make change? What make change from there? You want to lead, yes? You want to lead us. You want to lead us and you bomb us. And many tribes are dying. Shuluk are dying. Equatorial are dying. Many tribes who are silent, they are dying. I'm sorry for you guys. I'm very sorry. Because if Salva Kiir is the head of us, and there's the one leg already broken, so Salva Kiir is a disabled. Because if there's war now, and Uganda is killing us, you guys, you know, especially women, they know that this is very bad. They know this thing is very bad. I know majority of Dinka also, a lot of them, they are cowards, but they are dying silent. They don't want to talk. They don't want to talk because they said if you talk, you will be dead. Like now, I'm dead body now. I'm dead body now. I'm talking and I'm dead body and I accept. I need the soldier to be free. I need the civilian to be free. I need a good leader to be free, to be honest, and to see the truth. Because if you want to lead us, you need to be you need to learn from different presidents, because you can learn. You can learn from everywhere in America. You can try to learn. Don't be like Museveni. Salva Kiir is very weak, following his brother Museveni. Museveni is killing his people that side, and Salva Kiir is killing us this way. So two leaders are very dangerous, really dangerous. Because they make us to be divided. If you don't want Nuer, don't kill them. But we need to have our region. We need to have our region. Don't kill them. We can divide resources. You want to have your president Salva Kiir, another one Dinka man is going to be president, we don't have problem. But we need to be divided. We need to be divided. And you, if you are Nuer, and you see that helicopter is going to destroy you, and you are silent, coward, that cowardness will never help you. You will just die without history. You will be dead like that. Salva Kiir is very strong, because with his family, with his team, they are together. And you Nuer, they use you. You come first. The Minister of Information is from Lul Raj. It's from Nuer, they are using him. And they are bribing others. Why? Why are you doing that to us? You love us during war in Arab. Now we are bad to you. So Uganda is better for us. Uganda is better. It's your brothers. This one will never forget it. Only coward that will forget this thing that you guys you have done to us. Salva Kiir already failed. And don't support. If you know how to write, every time you see somebody that is talking, you need to write. That is your voice. Your life. Your life is your voice. Your voice is your life, your future. You don't have a future when you see a government is fighting with two governments are fighting one tribe only. Don't you know that Nuer are hero? Nuer are hero. Nuer are hero. They're very strong. You are catching all those young boys. You catch them, those young boys. And you train them so that they can go and fight with Nuer. And then they die together. And everybody's saying, they have already fought, they died, you keep quiet. And then you say that, I'm president, yes, I'm in peace. While people are finished. All the money that you have, you give to Uganda. All the money of South Sudan, all the money, they go to Uganda. And you think you are happy. How can you be happy when your people are begging everywhere? We need food. We need help. They are helping. They are asking world, help us. We need shelter. We need food. They go to enemies, refugees everywhere. In Kakuma, you will never take them back. They are still there. Museveni will never be having mercy. A lot of refugees, South Sudanese, they go to Museveni. And Museveni will never help you guys because Museveni is just helping South Sudan to die. Helping South Sudan to die. I can never separate you. Because the soldiers, their soldiers are going to go and fight with Nuer when they are dying together. All of them, they are South Sudan. They are South Sudan. You cannot be saying this is this one. You cannot depreciate them when they are already dead. You can never depreciate them. They are South Sudan. But you, Dinka, you really know how to divide people. You don't want peace. Salva Kiir team already refused peace. Those Makwilwet and Kwalmanyang, they refuse peace. They don't want peace. They don't want peace. While your children, they are good. The soldiers, Yal al-Masakin, are dying all the time. We are so sick and tired. And the election will not come. You cannot say that we will have election while people are dying. We will be talking. This English that I learned here in London, I'll be talking with it until peace will come. If you are really good leader, a really good leader can try to do his best to bring peace. If you arrested Dr. Riek Machar, Salva Kiir team can make a best to try to convince people. You can construct all the road. You can build all the school. You can make everyone to be silent because you guys, you have money. You have our resources on your hand. You can do the best to bring peace. But you guys, you refuse peace. There's no peace. And that's why Uganda is working hard and killing Nuer every time. You put your hand together. You put your hand together to kill Nuer every time. And you want us to be happy. Yes, I'm happy. Yeah, you kill us, I'll be happy. No, I will not talk. If I talk, I will be dead. I'm already dead body. You know, Ratishia right. Machaya come to Yarame. Tayarma ya Jakayama. Again, go, they wouldn't answer until a ngang the dear. Till a ngang the dear. ngen de me ya jor tayar atayar mu tunu ye tu na chiendun na chiang bia liu wala amola bia liu amola bia liu tayar me ya no chayelo e kuma kier kuma kier elo ajen gwa mo bia roi ma la roi ko bika roi ma na panane mo ajen gwa deraro de rit menye na ngai ka jene diar ma roi komo ta lo da che luk me lo de luk jiran me lo de luk bi roi lebina na la reme la pala leb chorun goñ chonga kel lewa kel ramanonga na Uganda manonga na Uganda oba buk chayelo tele lo de dia chang bi nyur na je gel ka kai ka ya o te ka ramabi lo te rambi lo makero do garo adu kun yala me gin ma sey goy gin woj a ci duwal ci duwal ka madir long biliw ko ku tey muy ka wang tey muy ka tit tey muy ka show tey muy ka leb tey muy ka tidyal poindu mo wula wur mo boj biliw bum ne ka liw ne ko ma ci wombi tidyal bi ka josh ma ku yigor roy ni ka to yigor gin roy ni ka to ngora roy ni ka arabi tul ni gen to ngor bi roy ba linga na bari ko ba linga ka wayna linka may ti kono la jay ba ka gok ba yotu la jay ba ka gok ba ta dial ba ka gok brama yu rier cha ku da leng no na liadu ni siang we wala nyon bi wala nyon bi cho no ko kol ma nyang na jarami no na manane nyin ke nyin dak ker nyin ke nyin jogo kwar gante bom ti kon nene ya pi te ko tin wan ba history ba gor ken nore tin diet ken dia li ko liu diet nore dia li ko to klia te la rama bi history ko ngwide bi u do ne boje ma tel ma lade boje ma be yu lar lo ko dole ka lade wa ngo wa yo lad che mit ka kon ba na mo ne ko liu ne che mar ka char